I am so excited to be doing this with you today. We are gonna have so much fun, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna do awesome things together. Come on in. Dr. King, Dr. King, Dr. King was a civil rights leader. Dr. King, Dr. King, he had a dream. He wanted everybody to have the same freedom. He wanted everybody to have the same freedom. He wanted everybody to have the same freedom and make his dream come true. Welcome to my classroom. I'm glad to have you here. And experience some of the magic of music making that I get to do every single day. It is the best job. We start with Squilt, our super quiet, uninterrupted, intentional listening time. This morning I have chosen a song that features the autoharp. Today we have a really fun lesson plan that's all about Dr. Martin Luther King. And we are also going to be talking about the autoharp, which is kind of a unique and nowadays a little bit of a rarer instrument. And so we're going to talk about what's an autoharp, how we play it. We are going to listen to a fantastic book called Martin's Big Words, all about his life. We're going to listen to Kid President, and then we're going to get on some instruments and play the autoharp, play the xylophone, glockenspiel, handbells, learn a song, and have some fun.
Martin Luther King, he's really, really important because like if he wasn't even born, then I'm sure we wouldn't like be in like school like with some people who are like a different skin color than you are, or like how we are.
It is the best. I mean, that's what makes these beautiful moments in music. It's the light bulb moments where you see a kid sit down for the first time or pick an instrument up for the first time and have a connection with that instrument. And it's like joy coming through the sound waves. Dr. King, he had a dream. Big finish.